Kagimbal, nakakasikip ng dibdib. Hindi sila dapat nang himasok. Ang ruling, kahit 100 pages pa yan Procedural. Ang House, nakalagay sa Constitution yung House, ang may sariling, kumaga domain niya yung procedure. Kung meron man nag-create ng constitutional crisis, it's the Supreme Court.
Ito yung mahirap when it comes to how Filipinos argue. Now, when they try to argue, they do not pinpoint ano yung mali sa sinabi ng ka-argue nila. Like for example, sa Supreme Court, 97 pages exactly, nagbigay sila ng citations doon, but ni isa sa mga gustong kumontra at magsabi na mali yung Supreme Court, never silang nag-cite ano sa eksakto doon sa 97 pages yung mali sa sinabi ng Supreme Court.
Maraming violations ang ginawa. This actually will constitute a betrayal of public trust. It's unconstitutional. At nung pumirma dito, talagang mamomroblema.
Wow! Tinakot mo pa yung Supreme Court. Ikaw pa yung may lakas na loob magsabing unconstitutional yung ginawa ng Supreme Court. Buti na lang natalo ka. Nung nagsabi yung Supreme Court na unconstitutional yung impeachment, nagbigay sila ng paliwanag, a 97-page explanation. Tapos ikaw, isang sentence, dalawang sentence, wala pang substance.
Ang dami nilang butas dito May mga testigo na kung paano ito naluto. It looks very bad. Ilaban natin itong current impeachment trial na ito na matuloy. Let our voices be heard.
And your voice is irrelevant on this topic. Because they have the final say on whether an act is constitutional or unconstitutional. And again, if you are going to counter whatever their claim are, the very least that you could do is quote something from their 97-page para at least malaman naman namin kung alin doon yung unconstitutional, alin doon yung mali, para naman magkaroon kayo ng substance. Basic.
This is Pinoy Extreme.